Here we have a Sterling Leisure hot tub, Balboa controls, and what's happening is I have no control over the keypad. First look is you can see the moisture underneath the keypad. So I haven't turned it on yet, but that's a bad sign right there. If you have any moisture underneath the keypad, the display, more than likely it's a keypad, but we're going to test that to make sure that it's a keypad. See what it is. If it's the board, first thing we're going to do is turn on the power. Okay, let it go through its programming. So you can turn on the pump. So I can control everything. Turn on the light. Light works. See if I can turn on the temp. There you go. I can turn that up. So it's going to wait a bit here because it's still going through its programming. You can see here it's trying to pick up what the temperature is. It's pretty slow. So whatever temperature of the water it is, it should show up right there. Right now, it's indicating, see the indicator light right there? It's indicating that it's heating. The temperature right now is 65 Fahrenheit. So we're going to test just to make sure. See, I can push. Well, there we go. It still works. Just randomly, it works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. Sure, we're going to test just because it says it's heating there. We're going to test to see if there's voltage at the element. Just because it shows that it's heating doesn't mean that it's heating. So we're going to turn the volts, make sure it's on AC, and then just be careful because this is going to be live. So be careful. Get one lead on there. Don't slip off. So you should have around 240. I have 236. It's heating. Figure out why the keypad. It's probably going to be a keypad issue, but we just want to confirm it's not the board. So visually you can look on the board itself to see if there's any burn marks. Normally if there's going to be some burn marks, it's going to be underneath where the relays are, or the black, where the sticker is right there, or any of the black ones. What we're going to do is we're going to shut off the power. So make sure you shut the power off first. So power's off, so we're going to disconnect. Just follow the gray cord down. There's the top side right there. Just follow all the way down. And remember where you unplug it. So it's right here. So we're going to unplug that right there. And then turn the power back on. So the keypad right now is disconnected. The power's on. It should go through its programming and turn on. So even without the keypad, it's actually that board is actually on default. So even without the keypad, the pump should still come on. Should still purge. It should still heat up. We're just waiting for it to turn on. See if it turns on or not. So after it went through its programming, because we can't see the display, the circ pump did come on. Now if you don't have a circ pump, at least low speed should come on one of the power pumps, pump 1. So it's whatever is going through this heat tube. Okay, so that pump turned on. So I heard a click and it's heating. We're going to change out this top side because it's acting that way, plus that moisture in the front there. So we're going to take this out. Now this is a Balboa. If you had a different style, they'd have screws underneath there holding it down, and you got to take this off to undo the screw, the overlay. But you'd have to feel underneath there, so you have to check underneath to see if there's any screw downs. Most time Balboa is just stuck on there with a sticker, but just make sure before you start doing this. So it's popping off. So normally
to get the keypad right where that green tag is, there's usually a white tag, and it has all information on there, which one you need.
So I had to take it off to see the sticker right there. So that's the keypad that I need right there. We left this on overnight, and it's by default it's going to go up to the last set temp, so it's really warm right now. Clean all this up. I use Windex to clean it all up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in first. There, we got it back on. So we got purge heading that way. I want to make sure that the letters go inward. You can see. Now if it was flatter, I'd go the opposite way. When you put this in, clean it up a lot better than what I did here. See, there's a big sticker on it, around that. You can also put a bead of silicone around that. It will help it in the long run. See here, they have screws you can put down too. But the new sticker. Line it up on one side.